We'll be playing not Roblox, Minecraft. Yeah. Right now Brian's building a giant TNT and he's gonna explode a whole village except for his friend Bob.
Yes, that's my villager.
See? This is what Brian looks like currently. And this is what he's building. Brian, can you...
This is what I look like.
Okay, Brian, can you zoom out? Like... No, Brian. I mean, like, show them the whole TNT so far. Look, this is the TNT so far.
Oh, sorry about that. It's just this TV doesn't really work that well, okay?
Yeah, and Brian, will you show them where your friend Bob is currently?
Well, I'm going to show you where my friend Bob is. He used to live in a house, but he's really just going to die, so I put him... This is our house. It has a roller coaster.
Yeah, but it's gonna go boom soon.
Yeah.
Where did Bob go? Where did Bob's house go? Oh, yeah, that's Bob's house.
That's where Bob is.
Yeah, there's a door to it, but it's hidden.
Yes, Bob is still in there.
Yeah, he's also covered in fence.
I can show you.
We'll show you the inside in a second. Okay, guys. This is where Bob is. Yeah, but a skeleton spawned in there. At least it didn't attack him. 1 second though.
Show you my friend Bob.
This is Bob.
Yeah.
This villager that's jumping all around.
Yeah, his name is.
Say hi, Bob. Hi. My name is Bob.
My name is Bob. I don't want to die. So people think and I don't want to be in here. I want to get out.
Okay, guys. Okay, Bob, stop complaining, please. And look, this is what we showed you earlier.
Yes, I'm going to TNT.
Yeah, it says TNT all around, but it's not easy to build.
Yeah, this is a giant.
Seriously. And there's a chicken in there. There's a chicken in there and a creeper. Yeah, but they're both gonna go boom. So that's all for now, guys. Bye.
No, guys, we're not gonna leave yet. We're gonna come back once the TNT is done.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay.
We're gonna pause it just until we can finish this TNT. Okay, guys?
I think they said okay. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, this is the TNT.
Yeah. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Brian, just for total, can you go around the TNT once? This is the other side.
Yes, and there's even more sides.
Yeah, 2 more. And another.
And another.
Of course there's another.
Yeah, those are all the sides, guys, but we don't actually have the roof yet.
Or the inside. But this is the chicken that's trapped. So we're going to be doing this in the next video. Bye! Say bye.
Bye!
Please subscribe and like this video if you like Minecraft and alligators.
Also, if you like TNT in the game and to destroy stuff, because we're going to destroy it in the next video!
Bye!